Hi everyone, welcome to Syntax project presentation. Following are the team members, Jim Chema, Christopher Kwala, Eliowaga in absentia, and John Karuri. So on to our problem statement. Prudence Maternal Healthcare aims at maintaining records of their doctors and other staff, including also their clients, which are expectant mothers, as well as monitoring their well-being throughout their pregnancy period. So as our firm, we have been hired to provide consulting services for Prudence in order to come up with an optimal solution. So Syntax has been contacted by Prudence Healthcare for the development of the maternal management system that will help Prudence to maintain the records. So we have created the application that will ease their work. So this application build up has the following items. We have a sign up page. So if in any case the user doesn't have a page there already, so you can create your own page by signing up. Number 2, you have a login page where you enter your credentials and log into the system. Number 3, text menu of employees where you can be able to add employees or edit employees. Then text menu of the mother where you can be able to add or edit mother and just put their credentials there. Then number 5, you have the pregnancy period of the mother where it's being monitored.
Okay, going to take over from here. This is the sign up or login page count. On the sign up page, the system administrator administrates create the account. They give details of their names, username and password. We have a create account button. After clicking the create account, a pop appears to confirm the admin account creations, then redirect to login page. During login, the user will be asked their username and password. If their login details are correct, there is a pop-in indicating successful login. If the details are incorrect, a pop-up message indicates incorrect username and password appears, and they are asked to try again. This is how the account login look like. You put your username there and the password, and then you hit the sign in button. If you have not created an account, you click the create account button. It will take you to the create account page. The account create page looks like this, where you will enter a username. You enter the PIN that you will be using and confirm it, and then you register. Now it will take you to the home page. This is the add employee, edit employee here, and there is a add mother and edit mother tab there, up there. This is where you edit employee. Okay, on the employee side, Jan will take you over from there.
Yes, so John has explained to you. So once you click probably the employee page, you're given an option of either adding an employee or editing an employee's details, or even updating the already existing details. So add employee simply means that there's a new employee at Prudence whose credentials need to be put into the system. For example, the ID number, date of birth, their address, phone number, and all that. Edit employee updates the employee details into the system. So the following is how the employee windows looks like. So for the add employee, you add their names, probably their first name and surname or any other. You input their ID number and other stuff. This is just an example. And then you click on the add employee, which will take you to another page. Or so you could also edit the employee by also putting their first name and their surname, their gender, and then you can also select whatever you're adding, whatever you're editing. whether it's their phone number or their address, maybe they moved. And then after that, you click on that update button and it will update itself in the system. So for the mother, on the text menu of a mother, an admin or a user can add new mother, which the new client, or also edit the details of an existing mother. Um, a mother can be edited using the edit mother button, which is similar to add mother, except that there's a search button to look up the existing number or name or both. So editing is pretty much the same as adding, only that we are putting in probably different credentials this time, which allows you to look up the already existing ones and then changing them. Then you can either update or delete their details. So if you have maybe put in the wrong ones, you could delete the previous ones and update it. The site will show a grid view at the bottom of found items. This is where you can also add or edit the pregnancy period of the client, which is the mother in this case. This is how their pages look like. For the add mother, you can enter their ID number, their name, or phone number, and whatever other distinguished credentials you have, their date of birth and address, and then you are allowed to save it. For the edit mother panel, you can enter the ID number and search. Um, Probably you want to enter a different one. Then you enter their name, phone number, and date of birth, and then also their address. And then you either update, or if you have put in whatever you didn't want, you have an option of deleting it. So that sums up our project. So Chris will take you through the program itself.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Christopher, and I'll be taking us through the program demonstration. So, this is the Java application for the program, and I'll go ahead to run the program. Mm. So basically, so this is the sign-in page where our user will be inputting the credentials and then signing into the home page. So, like for instance, our login as per the text file is admin for the username, and the password admin 123. So if you sign in, a pop-up to the home page will appear, whereby now you can be able to explore the employee and the mother tab. So in the employee, we have the add mother panel, add employee panel, sorry, and also edit employee panel, as my first colleagues have explained. Even for the add mother, the same will appear, whereby now we have the add mother details. We can put all that and even save the details. At the edit, we can also edit the mother, either update or delete, and also you can exit. So if you don't have the credentials, you can go to the create create account page, whereby now the user will have to input the username, password, confirm, and register. So uh, sub okay, so suppose you enter a wrong username or password. Like for instance, if I put Chris and password admin 123, um, now this panel will appear whereby it says wrong username or password, so you can try again. Um, but either way, we can also input this from the text file, because our system is reading from the text file. So what I can do is just come in to the text file and change the username, just to demonstrate that we are basically reading this from the text file. And then when I close this, I have to close this and run the program all over again. So our new username will be Chris, uh, and the password admin 123. So basically, if I sign in, this should take me to the home page. So basically now that's our presentation. Unless we have any question, we'll be ready to answer. Thank you very much for your attention.